Circle generation algorithms. Circle is one of the basic graphics component. Circle is what? One of basic graphic component. So in order to understand its generation, let us go through its property. Okay, to understand its generation, first you have to understand what are the properties of circle. In spite of using Bresenham circle generation, that is incremental approval on basis of decision parameter, we could use basic properties of circle for its generation. Okay, the decision parameter is very important. Based on decision parameter, we find the next x and y value. Okay, so when we take the example, it becomes very clear. These ways are discussed below. So in this diagram, okay, it is a circle. This is a midpoint of the circle, and this one is radius. Okay, and the midpoint position is what? Xc and Yc. Generation on the basis of Cartesian coordinates. You can generate circle by using different methods. One is Cartesian coordinates method. A circle is defined as the set of points or locus of all the points which exist at a given distance r from center xc, yc. Okay. So what is circle? Is a set of points. It contains what? Many points. Okay, this is a circle. It contains many points. Okay, or locus of all the points which exist at a given distance r. All the points of that circle. Okay, the distance from center to this circle is same. Okay, maybe if you take this point from here to here, the distance is same. If you take this point from here to here, the distance is same. Okay, so the distance is same from center to the circle. The distance relationship could be expressed by using Pythagoras theorem in Cartesian coordinate system. Okay, by using Cartesian coordinates theorem, okay, we can find the distance relationship. That is x minus xc. Okay, this is x value, this is xc center. X minus xc the whole square plus y minus yc the whole square, y minus yc the whole square equal to r square. This is the relationship, okay, in Cartesian coordinates. Now using equation 1, we can calculate points on the circumference by stepping along x-axis from xc minus r to xc plus r. Okay, and calculating respective y values for each position. Okay, so based on this equation, we can calculate what? Points on the circumference. There are many points out there. Okay, this is first point, second, third, like this. There are many points out there. Okay, so we can go on find the next points of that circle. Okay, by stepping what? Along x-axis from xc minus r to xc plus r. Okay, and calculating respective y values. Okay, we need to find the respective y values. Okay, by in Cartesian coordinates, we can find y is equal to yc plus or minus square root of r square minus x minus xc the whole square. Okay, next, one more method, generation of circle on basis of polar coordinates, that is using r and theta, angle theta, radius and angle. Circle generation using polar coordinate system. Okay, so there is a angle theta. Okay, and this is x comma y, this is the position, and this is the center, and this is the radius. Expressing the circle equation in parameter polar form yields the following equations: x is equal to xc plus r cos theta, x is equal to xc plus r cos theta, and y is equal to yc plus r sin theta. Using a fixed angular step size, we can plot a circle with equally spaced points along the circumference. Okay, like this we can go on find the new x and y values of that circle. We take an example, then it becomes very clear. Okay. In Bresenham circle generation, midpoint circle algorithm, okay, midpoint circle algorithm is also called Bresenham circle generation. We calculate points in an octant, this is octant and this one is quadrant, and then by using symmetry we find other respective points on the circumference. So there are 8 quadrants are there. Okay, this is octant, this is 4 quadrants are there, so it is quadrant. Okay, so next the main part is midpoint circle generation algorithm. What is the algorithm to find the positions of x and y of the circle? This is very important. We know that equation of circle is s square plus y square is equal to r square. By rearranging this equation, we can have the function to be considered for generation of circles as fc of s comma y. fc of s comma y is equal to s square plus y square minus r square. Okay, if we take r square here, it becomes minus r square. The position of any point s comma y can be analyzed by using the sign of fc of s comma y, that is, okay, decision parameter is very important to find the next x and y value. Okay, decision parameter fc of s comma y equal to, okay, less than 0. If it is fc s comma y is less than 0, if s comma y is inside circle boundary, if s comma y is inside the circle boundary, then the decision parameter is less than 0. If it is equal, if s comma y is on the circle boundary, then fc of s comma y is equal to 0. If s comma y is outside the circle boundary, then fc s comma y is equal to is greater than 0. That is, we need to test the sign of fc of s comma y, whether it is less than 0, whether it is equal to 0, whether it is greater than 0, are performed for midpoint between pixels near the circle path at each sampling step. So this is one pixel. Okay, this is one pixel position. Okay, so midpoint between candidate pixel at sampling position sk plus 1 along circular path. Okay, so this is yk position, this is sk yk here, this pixel is what, sk yk position, this one is sk yk minus 1, this one is sk plus 1 yk minus 1, this one is sk plus 1 yk, and this one is sk plus 2 yk minus 1, sk plus 2 yk. Okay, so figure 13 shows the midpoint of two candidates pixel sk plus 1 comma yk, sk plus 1 comma yk, this one, and sk plus 1 comma yk minus 1, sk plus 1 comma yk minus 1 at sampling position sk plus 1. Okay, at sampling position sk plus 1. Okay, this, either this or either this. Assuming we have just plotted sk comma yk. Okay, assume we plotted what, sk comma yk, this one, this is sk comma yk, sk and yk, we plotted this one. We need to determine the next pixel. Okay, what is the next pixel, whether this one or this one, that is the question. Okay, to determine the next pixel to be plotted at sk plus 1 comma yk, sk plus 1 comma yk, or sk plus 1 comma yk minus 1, sk plus 1 comma yk minus 1, this or this we have to find. In order to decide the pixel on the circle's path, we would need to evaluate our decision parameter at midpoint between these two pixels. Okay, we need to find what, decision parameter. Based on the decision parameter, we can say that the next pixel, at present the pixel is here, the next pixel is either this one or this one. Okay, it's based on decision parameter. Okay, if it is less than 0, okay, means what, midpoint lies inside the circle. Okay, pk is less than 0, midpoint is lies inside the circle. and pixel on scan line yk is closer to the circle boundary, else otherwise midpoint is outside. If pk is greater than 0, midpoint is outside or on the circle boundary, or it may be on the boundary. We select pixel on scan line yk minus 1. Successive decision parameters are obtained by using incremental calculation. Like this, we need to find what next to pixel position, go on, then it become a full circle. We'll take on first we'll take algorithm. Okay, based on this algorithm we can calculate. Okay, first we study the algorithm, then we take an example. The initial decision parameter is obtained by evaluating the circle function at start position s0, y0, that is 0, r. Okay, the initial decision parameter is obtained by evaluating what? Circle function at start position x0, y0. x0 is what? 0. y0 is what? r. You know the radius. Okay. So initially x0, y0 is equal to 0, r. The initial position of x and y is what? 0, r. Then p0, it is decision parameter, equal to what? 1 minus r. You know r value, so subtract 1 minus r. So you get what? p0, the initial decision parameter. Next, midpoint circle algorithm. Input radius r and circle center sc, yc, and obtain the first point on the circumference of the circle centered on the origin as. So initial point is s0, y0 is 0, r. Okay. So for example, so initial parameter is what? S, if r is equal to 10. Okay. So x0 is equal to 0, y0 is equal to what? 10. And initial decision parameter is what? 1 minus r. That is r is what? 10. Okay. So 1 minus r is equal to what? Minus 9. Minus 9 is the initial decision parameter. Okay. So you calculated what? Initial decision parameter. If r is equal to 10, x0, y0 is equal to 0, 10, and p0 is equal to 1 minus 10, that is minus 9. At each escape position starting at k equal to 0, perform following test. Okay, starting from k equal to 0, perform the following test. If pk is less than 0, if pk value, you calculate pk value. Okay, if it is less than 0, then next point along the circle centered on x0 on 0, 0 is sk plus 1, yk. Okay, so if pk is less than 0, okay, on the 0 on centered on 0, 0 is what? The next point is what? Sk plus 1, yk. The next value is what? Sk plus 1 x value, and yk is, it remains same. If it is less than 0, pk is less than 0, x value get incremented. Okay, and y value remains same if pk is less than 0. Okay, so for example, see, so initially pk is p0, k is 0 here, so p0 is minus 9 here. So minus 9 is what? Less than 0. Okay, it is less than 0. So initially x0 is 0, y0 is 10. Okay, so next to values, that is the x1, y1. Okay, x1, y1 is what? This is x0, y0, that is 0, 10. x1, y1 is what? So x1 become 1 incremented, but y value is what? It remains same. It remains same. Okay, so yk is remains same. Sk value get incremented plus 1. S value, if it is 0, it become 1. Okay, then if it is 10, it remains 10 only. Okay, and pk value, next we need to find next pk value. Okay, first you find the pk value, that is 1 minus r. Next pk value, that is p0 is 1 minus r. p1 is what? We have to find pk plus 1, pk plus 2 sk plus 1. Okay, if it is less than 0, the next pk value is what? Pk plus 2 sk plus 1 plus 1. If for example, now we have to find what? Next pk value, next to pk value. If pk is less than 0, this is minus 9 is what? Less than 0. So then this is the formula. Okay, pk plus 2sk plus 1 plus 1. Okay, so this is the formula. Say for example here, pk, what is pk? Minus 9, right? Minus 9 here. 2sk plus 1. 2sk plus 1 means what? 2sk plus 2. What is 2sk? 2 into sk. Sk is what? x0. x0 is what? 0. 2 into 0 is what? 0. Plus 2. So it 2 comes here. 2sk plus 1 is what? 2. Then plus 1. So minus 9 plus 2 minus 7 plus 1, that is minus 6. The next decision parameter is what? Minus 6. So like this you have to find. Okay, so this is how to find next decision parameter. Else, if pk is greater than 0 is false. If pk is equal to 0 or pk is greater than 0, then next point along circle is sk plus 1 comma yk minus 1. Okay, so here it is x is get increment. So here also s get increment when the pk is less than 0. But y value remains same. But if pk is greater than or equal to 0, then yk value get decremented, yk minus 1. Okay, see for example, see here. So in this example, here 6. Okay, so decision parameter is 6. In previous example, while calculating pk value, you got 6. That is 6 is greater than 0. If it is greater than 0, so s get incremented. Previously it was 3, now it becomes 4. Okay, and what about y value? Get decremented. Okay, get decremented. Clear? No, previously it is 10, now it becomes 9. If it is positive, it get decremented. If it is positive, it get decremented. Okay, so what about x? Whether it is negative or positive, it go on increment by 1. Okay, if it is negative, y value not increment, it remains same. If it is positive, it decrement. If it is negative, it remains same. If it is positive, decrement. If it is positive, decrement, like this. Clear? No? Then what about next pk value, decision parameter value? Okay, decision parameter is pk plus 2sk plus 1 minus 2yk minus 1. If it is less than 0, pk less than 0, next pk value is pk plus 2sk plus 1 plus 1. Okay, but here it is same. Okay, but minus 2yk1 is extra. 2yk minus 2yk minus 1. Okay, so for example, see here. Okay, so here decision parameter is greater than 0. So next pk value is, this is the formula. Clear? No, this pk, previous pk value plus 2sk plus 1. Okay, that is 2 into 3, 6 plus 2 plus 1, 9. Then minus 2yk plus 1. 2yk plus 1 means what? 2yk minus 2. 2yk is 10. 2 into 10, 20. 20 minus 2 is 18. Okay, you get minus 3. Minus 3 is the next decision parameter. Okay, so if pk is greater than 0, this is the formula. If pk is less than 0, this is the formula to find the decision parameter, next pk value. Clear? No? Okay, so determine symmetry points in the other 7 octants. Like this, you have to find the remaining 7 octants. There are 8 are there, 8 points are there. You have to find this first point is over. The remaining 7 points also you have to find like this only. Move each calculated pixel position s comma y into the circular path centered on xc comma yc and plot coordinates values x equal to x plus xc, y is equal to y plus yc. Okay, so like this you have to go on find x and y value. Repeat steps c through e, from c through e until s greater than or equal to y. You have to repeat the steps when x is equal to y or x is greater than y. See for example here, so here x and y both are same, then you have to stop, then no calculation. Clear? No? Okay, so this is the algorithm. Okay, we take an example. Okay, so example given r is equal to 10, center is 0 comma 0. Initially x naught y naught is what? 0 comma r. 0 comma r means 0 comma 10 because r is equal to 10. Initial decision parameter, how you find p naught is equal to 1 minus r. Okay, r is equal to 10. No, 1 minus 10 is equal to minus 9. Okay, so this is what x naught y naught and p naught value, decision parameter. Okay, based on this condition, we apply this formulas. Okay, if pk less than 0, x value get increment, y remains same, and next to pk value, next decision parameter is pk plus 2sk plus 1 plus 1. If it is greater than or equal to 0, okay, so x values get incremented, y value get x value get increment, y value get decrement, and decision parameter is what? Pk plus 2sk plus 1 plus 1 minus 2yk plus 1. Here 2sk plus 1 meaning is what? 2sk plus 2. 2yk plus 1 meaning is what? 2yk minus 2. Okay, based on this we calculate. So initial point is x naught is 0, y naught is 10. Okay, k is equal to 0. What is p0? Okay, what is p0? 1 minus r. R is equal to 10. Okay, we calculated here. 1 minus r. P0 is minus 9. So write as it is. Then if pk is less than 0, sk plus 1, s get incremented. Yk plus 1. Okay, y not get increment. Y remains same. Okay, so here if less than 0, s get increment, but y value remains same, yk only. So previous yk is y0 is 10, so y1 also 10 only. And next decision parameter is what? If less than 0 here, pk is less than 0. Pk plus 1, pk plus 2sk plus 1 plus 1. What is pk? Minus 9. What is 2sk plus 1? Meaning is what? 2sk. Sk value means x0 is 0. 2 into 0 is 0 plus 2. So 2sk plus 1 is what? 2. Then plus 1. If we calculate, minus 9 plus 3, that is minus 6. So minus 6 right here. Next step, when k is equal to 1, pk is minus 6. It is less than 0. If it is less than 0, x will get increment and y remains same. Previously 10, now also 10. Next pk value, p2 is equal to, okay, pk value minus 6 plus 2sk plus 1. 2sk plus 1 means what? 2sk plus 2. Okay, means 2 into 1 is 2 plus 2, that is 4. Then plus 1. So how much? Minus 6 plus 5 minus 1. Okay, then minus 1 right here. So minus 1 is less than 0. So s get increment, y remains same. P3 is equal to what? Minus 1 pk value plus 2sk plus 1. 2 into 2, 4. Okay, 2 sk is 2. 2 into 2 is 4 plus 2, that is 6. Then plus 1. Okay, so how much? Minus 1 plus 1 cancels, 6 is remains. Okay, so 6 is the decision parameter. Next pk value. Now pk is positive. If it is positive, s get increment. Previously 3, now it 4. But y get decrement. Okay, previously 10, now it is 9. Okay, if it is positive, okay, greater than 0 or equal to 0, then y get decrement. See here. Otherwise, if pk is greater than 0, okay, then here y get decrement. If pk less than 0, y remains same. Okay, if it is greater than 0, it decrement. Okay, and next pk value is what? This formula. Okay, so next pk value is what? So it get decrement here. Next pk value is p4 is equal to pk, that is 6, 2sk plus 1. 2sk 2 into 3 plus 2, 8 plus 1, 9. Then minus 2yk plus 1. 2yk means what? 2yk minus 2. What is yk value? 10. 10 into 2. 2 into 10. 20. Minus 2. That is minus 18. 6 plus 9. 15. Minus 18 is minus 3. So minus 3 is again negative. So s increment, y remains same. Okay. So pk is less than 0. So this is the formula. Minus 3 plus 2 into 4 plus 2. Okay, 2sk plus 1. 2 into 2 plus 2. 2 into 4, 8 plus 2, 10. Then plus 1. 11 minus 3, 8. So 8 is what? Positive, greater than 0. So s increment, y decrement. Okay. Next decision parameter is this formula. Pk is 8, then 2sk plus 1. Okay. 2 into 5, 10, plus 2, 12, then plus 1, 13. Then 2yk, yk is 9, 2 into 9, 18, 18 minus 2. Okay. So minus 16. Okay. If you calculate 21 minus 16 is 5. Okay, so here x get increment, y get decrement. Okay, because positive here. Okay, so both are same. So now we have to stop. Clear, no? Okay, these are the new points of the circle. Okay, start from 1 comma 10 to last to 7 comma 7. So it become a circle. Clear, no? Okay, thank you.